Brooklyn, what are you doing? What have you got in your hand?
A phone.
Whose phone is it?
Yours.
Mine? Okay, hold on one second. I'm going to come close so you can show me how it works, okay? Okay, go ahead. Use it. I want you to go to your letter tracing game.
I gotta switch the letters. Oops.
Good job, babe. Hold the phone still so Mommy can see it. Move your hand so I can see your P. Good job. Can you show the phone?
That's great. Q.
Show Mommy's phone.
Q. Very nice.
Okay, I want you to go out of that game and I want you to play the matching game.
I want a little bit louder.
Okay, you can turn it up. Baby, hold the phone still. Good job.